Hi friends, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. Thank you so much for spending the time to watch my video lessons and to give me those feedbacks. If you are here for the first time, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Valrine, your practical decorator, helping you to make it home. In this video, I will be sharing with you an idea for an old cupboard door and a piece of leftover cork flooring I had from my flooring installation. Let's check this out. This is a cupboard door which I picked up at the restore, and I went ahead and finish off the outside with a crackling medium along with some paint. And the crackling medium that I used is this one. That's what gives the look of weathered wood. And then on the inside, the recessed portion, I had some leftover cork flooring. I cut a piece to size, and I basically just used some regular screws and screwed the cork to the inside of the door. And now to finish it off, I am using some sash cord to cover the edges of the cork. And I am just using a hot glue, so I'll go ahead and finish this up, and then we'll move on to the next step. You want to be very careful when you're using the hot glue because it does burn if it gets on your skin. What I'm going to do is put another layer of cord on around the perimeter. Just like that, we have a cork board. Now I'm going to choose to make this so that it can be hung vertically, because horizontally it's going to take up far more space. And so I'll go ahead and drill 2 holes at the top here. And then I'll use the same cord which I used around the cork board to put through the holes so it can be hung. Just got to measure off where I'm going to put the hole, because I want to make sure it is balanced when I am done. So this is 15 inches wide. I'm going to find the center, which is 7.5. And then from the center, I am going to measure 3 inches. That's where I'm going to bore my hole there. And from over here, measure another 3 inches. There we go. I'm going to bore my hole 1 inch from the cork, and this is 1 inch from the cork. There we go. That's a hole. There we go. That's the other hole. There we go. And then put it through here. I don't want to hang down too much, so I don't want to make this too long, but I'll just go ahead, turn it over, and I'm going to tie it. Instead of making a knot here and a knot here, I'm just going to tie it in the middle here. Just going to put a little hot glue on the end here so it stays together. What do you think, my friends? Just like that, we have made ourselves a cork board just by using an old cupboard door, a piece of leftover cork flooring, some glue, yeah. This project cost under $5. I was so excited to share this idea with you guys. It's a lovely project, something lovely to do by doing some upcycling and recycling. Thank you guys again so much for your support on my channel. If you have not subscribed, please do me a favor and hit that subscription button, and remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos like this and many more that will help you to make it home. Please give me some thumbs up if you like what I did here. Share with somebody. You take care of yourself. Sending you lots of love and appreciation. I'll see you in the next video.